previous video, we introduced the digital prototype of the MCON Controller, a retro gaming handheld device. However, there's an exciting update. It's no longer just a prototype. The brilliant team behind it has officially launched it at CES 2025. The MCON, also known as the Switchblade of mobile controllers by OHSNAP, is a revolutionary mobile gaming controller. Its transforming design, with magnetic attachments, allows it to easily fit in your pocket. Josh, the mastermind behind the creation, demonstrated the controller in real-world gaming tests, showcasing its comfort and impressive functionality. The best part, it's now available for purchase on Kickstarter. You can snag one for $99, but be quick, as stock is limited.